In this video, I am going to show you how you can block the explicit content that in Google. It is actually quite simple. First, we are going to Chrome application and we are going to the upper right corner here, the three dots, and we can see so many options, but we are going to configuration or settings. In settings we have more options and we can look for the tool called security, safe telecheck, accessibility, safety check, safe browsing, and we can see three options. The first option, the explicit content, is completely blocked, and if you won't activate, if you don't go to the last option, and that you know protection. I demonstrate here and here. We can see other options, and if I select the other option, we can see this option more here. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.